Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of time management hacks for student content creators. Balancing studies and video creation can be a challenge, but fear not, we've got the strategies you need to excel in both areas. Number 1. Who can benefit from time management hacks? Let's begin with understanding who can benefit from these valuable time management hacks. Whether you're a full-time student delving into content creation on the side, a student involved in internships or extracurricular activities, or even someone starting a content creation business, these hacks are tailored to help you manage your time effectively. Number 2. Effective strategies for balancing studies and video creation. Now, let's explore some effective strategies for maintaining a harmonious balance between your studies and video creation. Setting priorities, planning ahead, being flexible, taking breaks, delegating tasks, and utilizing tools and apps are all essential techniques to master. Number 3. Implementing time management hacks. When and how? Wondering when and how to implement these time management hacks? The answer is simple: as early as possible. Whether you're just starting your content creation journey, experiencing an increase in your workload, feeling overwhelmed, or aiming to enhance productivity, these hacks can make a significant difference in your journey. Number 4. Finding practical tips for time management. Where? So, where can you find practical tips to refine your time management skills? From online articles and books to podcasts, videos, and even online courses, there's a wealth of resources available to guide you on your path to effective time management. Number 5. The importance of time management for student content creators. Why? Now, let's delve into the why behind it all. Time management isn't just a concept. It's the key to achieving your goals, reducing stress, enhancing productivity, and achieving a healthier work-life balance. These hacks empower you to excel in both your studies and your video creation. Number 6. Effective time management tips for student content creators. How? Here's the nitty-gritty. How exactly can you put these hacks into action? With a focus on setting goals, creating a well-structured schedule, breaking tasks down, setting deadlines, taking breaks, and leveraging tools and apps, you'll be on your way to mastering time management. But wait, don't go anywhere just yet. If you're finding these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with fellow student content creators. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming content. Number 7. Additional tips for student content creators. Bonus tips. Need a little extra push? We've got some bonus tips for you. Discover your most productive times of day, eliminate distractions, and make sure to reward yourself for your accomplishments along the way. Before you go, remember that everyone's journey is unique. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and if you're ready to take charge of your time management, be sure to implement these hacks starting today. To sum it all up, effective time management is the secret sauce to thriving as a student content creator. By applying these techniques, you can conquer the challenges, achieve your goals, and create amazing content, all while staying on top of your studies. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.